Let's explore scenarios where Docker might not be the best choice. We'll discuss situations where the benefits of containerization are outweighed by its complexities or limitations. Consider single-user desktop applications that have minimal dependencies. These applications don't benefit much from Docker's complexity. The containerization overhead might outweigh any potential benefits you get from it. Therefore, for simple applications, Docker is not the way to go. For applications requiring maximum performance, it's best to avoid Docker's virtualization overhead. Each layer in Docker adds some latency, which can be critical in performance-sensitive applications. Examples of such applications are high-frequency trading platforms, real-time systems, and gaming engines. Old applications with deep operating system dependencies, custom drivers, or proprietary components may be impossible to containerize. Some of the challenges are hardware dependencies, kernel modules, and legacy databases. Docker's overhead becomes significant in environments where memory or CPU resources are limited. In such cases, native execution, which is more efficient, should be used. Some examples are Internet of Things devices, embedded systems, and low-end virtual private server instances. Applications requiring direct graphics access or complex user interface interactions face significant challenges when used in containers. Challenges include X11 forwarding complexity, OpenGL support, and the need for a native look and feel. For applications requiring maximum security isolation, a bare metal deployment might be needed to avoid container attack surfaces. Examples are banking systems, government applications, and hardware security module integrations. Docker is a powerful tool, but it is not a universal solution. Consider your specific use case, performance requirements, and the complexity trade-offs involved. Therefore, choose the right tool for the right job. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.